The Firewire LEDs back window strobe kit is a premium secondary lighting solution crafted to enhance safety and visibility for your vehicle. Designed for easy installation, this versatile kit fits seamlessly on the rear window or any flat surface of your truck's exterior, ensuring universal compatibility and a professional finish. Engineered to meet the demands of emergency responders, construction crews, and towing professionals, this strobe kit delivers superior performance in the toughest conditions. With a weatherproof design, it offers unmatched durability and reliability, even in harsh environments. Available in 12 vibrant color combinations, the back window strobe kit ensures exceptional visibility and flexibility, making it an essential safety upgrade for your vehicle. Its brilliant strobe effects clearly communicate your presence and intentions, keeping you and those around you safer on the road. Elevate your safety standards with the Firewire LEDs back window strobe kit, a dependable lighting solution designed for those who need to be seen and stay protected.